In this video, let's talk about how to use the Chase Checkings bonus offer. Now, in order to do this, you must first of all grab the official promotional coupon online through the page of the Checkings offer. So simply open up a web browser, search for the Chase Checkings offer page, and within the first page, you'll be able to see different offers where you can simply grab the code that is available. Now, once you have grabbed the code, you'll need to open a qualifying checkings account as a new customer. So simply through the app of Chase as well, or through the online portal, you can simply choose an eligible account tier, which could be the Chase Total Checkings account as well as the Chase Secure Banking. So choose one of these qualifying accounts, and then once you are in the section of adding in the code, make sure you just add in the code that you grabbed online, and only then you'll be able to receive the bonuses that is available or that is linked with your checkings account. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.